My name is Thompson McCallum. I'm part of the Diversity in Football program with the CFL. And to me, diversity, equity, and inclusion is really just all about bringing in different sort of perspectives from a diverse group of people. The thing that I've enjoyed the most is just being able to be around this sort of professional environment when it comes to football. Always just looking for any new players or different players that can help the team win games. The biggest thing that has stood out for me is just the amount of professionalism that everybody has and the amount of passion and hard work that everyone puts into supporting the team. Being here with this team for the past 3 weeks, being able to have a lot of different conversations with coaches and learning from them and their experiences in the game. Just want to say thank you to Securian Canada for sponsoring the Diversity in Football program and providing people like me with the opportunity to grow within the game of football.